Hello everyone, I am Vinutha MP from first year CSBS branch. My startup company name is Pork Horizon. Product present name vending machine. Product proposed name Whittleville Window Care. Empathizing stage mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Offers varieties of item from all over the world. It will accept any kind of payment methods and it is modernized as per the generations. It detects age and recommends suitable item as per their age. Multilingual support and secure transaction. Define stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name vending machine. Futuristic product name Whittleville Window Care. Ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Age detecting sensor. The sensor will detect the age and provide item based on their age. Multilingual support. Translates to your desired language in order to understand the future of vending machine. Payment method. It accepts different kind of payment method such as credit card, debit card, cash and online transaction. Provide variety of options. To choose varieties of food items, drinks, desserts, snacks from all over the world. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised you to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewer of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.